Hey everyone, and welcome back to For Real. It's Anna, and today we're tackling a question that's more important than you think. How do you properly log out of Venmo on your Android device? Now, I know what you're thinking. Anna, it's just logging out. How hard can it be? But leaving your Venmo account open on your phone is like leaving your wallet on a table in a crowded coffee shop. One moment of distraction and your financial information could be at risk. So, in the next few minutes, not only am I going to show you the quick and easy way to log out, but I'll also share a crucial security tip to remotely log out of every device you're signed into. You'll want to stick around for that. Let's secure your money. Before we jump into the how, let's quickly cover the why. Think about it. Your phone could get lost or stolen. You might lend your tablet to a friend. Or maybe you logged into Venmo on a public computer and forgot about it. In any of these scenarios, an open Venmo session is a direct line to your bank account or credit cards. Taking the 5 seconds it requires to log out is one of the simplest, yet most effective steps you can take to protect your finances. It's all about creating good digital habits. Here's a little trivia for you. Did you know Venmo started as a text message-based payment system? The founders wanted an easier way to pay each other back for things like movie tickets without using cash or checks. The app we use today has come a long way. All right, grab your Android device and let's do this together. It's super easy. I'll break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1, go to your profile. First, open your Venmo app. You'll land on your main transaction feed. Look at the bottom right of your screen and tap on the Me icon. It usually has your profile picture. Step 2, find the settings gear. Now that you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner. You'll see a little gear icon. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 3, scroll to the bottom. This will open up a long list of options. Don't get overwhelmed. All we need to do is scroll all the way down. Keep going, right to the very bottom. Step 4, tap Log Out. The very last option on this menu is what we're looking for, Log Out. Tap it. Venmo will ask you for confirmation. A small window will pop up saying, "Are you sure you want to log out?" Just tap OK to confirm and you're done. See? Easy as that. You are now securely logged out of Venmo on your device. Okay, as promised, here is my power tip for ultimate peace of mind. What if you think you left your account logged in on a friend's phone or a library computer? You can log out of all sessions remotely. For this, you'll need to use a web browser and go to venmo.com. Log into your account. Once you're in, click on Settings, then go to the Security tab. In the Security section, you'll see an option called Active Sessions or Remembered Devices. Click on it. This will show you every single browser and device that is currently logged into your Venmo account. If you see one you don't recognize, or you just want a clean slate, you'll see a button that says Remove or Log Out of All. Click that, and it will instantly sign your account out from everywhere else. It's a fantastic security feature. So let's do a quick recap. To log out on your Android, you just open Venmo, tap Me, hit the settings gear, scroll all the way down, and tap Log Out. For extra security, use the Venmo website to review your active sessions and log out remotely. Was this tutorial helpful? If it was, do me a huge favor and tap that like button. It really helps the channel reach more people. And for more simple tech tips that make your life safer and easier, make sure you subscribe to For Real and ring that notification bell. Now I have a question for you. What app or device do you want a security tutorial on next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.